Hello, today we're gonna show you how to make another beautiful and unique necklace with recycled and repurposed materials from other projects. Hi, my name is Juliana from One Gift World, where we help you to choose conscious, unique gifts. We produce handmade jewelry and fashion accessories. We're also involved in slow fashion. So if you are new and passionate about fashion that cares, please do subscribe today. So today we have chosen these materials. Bracelets, seed beaded bracelet, we're going to repurpose them. We've got a seed bead necklace that we are going to repurpose. We also have got some tassels and they're going to use, we've got some wood beads, small 7 to 8 and about 12 to 13 or probably 15 millimeters. I've got this tribal pendulum, if you like. I do have an eye pin. I've got a clasp and I also have got jump rings. I've got some gorgeous flowers or florets that I'm going to use, lace florets, and what else? That's all the materials. And we're gonna have to use the glue gun, cold glue gun with glue stick, pliers, cutters, of course, all the small tongs as well. I'm gonna make another pair of earrings. So I've got also these chains or beads and chains from other projects as well, and we've got the ear pieces as well, just to connect with each other. So I've got a needle with some sewn cotton thread. So this is the necklace we just finished, and this was a short project, one which we call 2 to 5 minutes. And these are the earrings that will go with the set, and as you see, it's a bit Christmassy and with Christmas theme. So thanks for watching again. Please stay humble and wonderful. Thank you.